Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to show you guys how I make this my party egusi soup. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and give this video a big thumbs up, and as well you can also hit that bell icon you're seeing there and set it to all. In that way you'll never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Now let's get started. So here are the goat's meat that I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm going to be adding some onions, some thyme, ginger, maggi cubes, salt, and scotch bonnet. I'm going to stir everything together properly, and I'm not going to add any single water. I'm just going to cover it. I'll cook it for about 10 minutes. In that way you add more flavor to your meat. So as you can see, 10 minutes has passed. I'm just going to add water to the level of the meat, then I'll cover it again and cook this goat meat for about 35 to 40 minutes because the goat meat is very strong, so I need to cook it. So while we're waiting for our goat meat to cook, I have some smoked chicken, some smoked mackerel fish, and stockfish. I also have some egusi, palm oil, bell pepper, tomato, onions, and some scotch bonnet. I'm also going to be using some bitter leaf, crayfish, uziza seed, maggi cubes, salt, and some dawa. But if you don't have dawa, you can use any other thing you have. So here are my veggies. I'm just going to be cleaning everything that I'm going to use for this egusi soup. So now I'm going to clean up my tomato, then I'll blend everything, and I'm going to steam them because I don't want too much water inside my egusi soup. So guys, before you make any soup at all, first you need to prepare all the ingredients. That will make it so easy for you to make your soup. As you can see, I'm cleaning my fish, my stockfish. It just make things so easy for me to do. So now I'm going to be blending my egusi. So here is my blended egusi. I'm going to be adding some salt. Then I'll add onions. I'm just going to use these onions to mix this egusi properly. Then I will set it aside for the soup later. So in my pot, I'm going to be adding palm oil. I'm not going to bleach this oil. I'm just going to allow the oil to hot a little bit. You don't need to bleach it. So I'll be adding the veggies, that is the bell pepper and the tomatoes and everything that I blend together, that I steam. As you can see, there is no water in the vegetables. That is the reason why I steam the vegetables. So now I'm going to be adding some maggi cubes, crayfish. I'm going to set this aside for later. Then I'll give it a nice stir. I'll be adding the dawa and uziza seed that I blend together. I'll give it a nice stir. Then I'll allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So it's time for me to add the egusi. So guys, at this point you need to lower your heat. If not, your egusi will get burned. So you just need to lower it. I'm just going to cover this egusi. I will allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. So now 3 minutes has passed. I'm just going to stir it gently. I'm going to be adding the meat stock. So now I'm going to be adding the stockfish. I'm adding the stockfish at this point because I want the stockfish to cook properly with the egusi soup. In that way, you feel that flavor of the stockfish in your soup. I'm just going to cover it. I would like to cook for about 15 minutes. So 15 minutes have passed. I'm just going to stir everything together. Now I'm going to be adding the goat's meat. So guys, I grilled my goat meat as I said before. If you want, you can fry your own. All depends on how you want your own. I'm going to stir everything together. Now I'm going to be adding the bitter leaf. You don't need to pour all your bitter leaf at a time. You need to put it bit by bit. When you put it, you stir everything together until you get your desire of the amount of bitter leaf you want in your soup. Because if you pour all the bitter leaf at a time, it may overshadow your egusi soup. So you don't want to spoil your egusi soup with the bitter leaf. So you just need to add it bit by bit until you get to your desired taste. Now I'm going to be adding water. We are going to be cooking the egusi now. So I'll add water, I will stir everything together, then I will cover it. And I will allow it to cook again for about another 10 to 15 minutes because you need to cook your egusi properly. I'll add the remaining crayfish. At this point, you are going to test it if all the ingredients is okay, the salt, the maggi, everything. You just have to test the soup and see if you like the taste. Then you cover it, you allow it to cook. So guys, our egusi have been cooking for 15 minutes. Now I'm just going to add the smoked mackerel. And at this point, you need to stir it gently. You don't want to break up all the fish inside the soup. That is why you need to stir it gently. So guys, as you can see, the soup is almost ready. And if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much and God will bless you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button you're seeing below there and give this video a big thumbs up and share this video to your friends and family. And remember to hit that bell icon and set it to all. In that way, you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. I love you all guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.